We've just acquired this very rare Mercedes C-Class AMG Sport Estate diesel. It's in lovely condition, finished in graphite grey. It's got privacy glass to the rear, upgraded AMG alloy wheels, park distance control to the rear. You can see it's in lovely condition. Electric tailgate. It's all in lovely condition. Full leather seats. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. It's got satellite navigation. Climate control, automatic, map view navigation, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Absolutely stunning. It's done 117,015 miles. DJH with full dealer facilities, including warranty, part exchange and finance. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.